Welcome to Hereford. It's a Wednesday, February evening. We start at the Coffee Pot, part of the Left Bank village. It's a very popular outside space beside the River Wye. Its marquees, parasols and fire pits make it a leisurely spot all year round. The bandstand's a regular stage to a wide range of live music talent. The River Wye runs through the centre of Hereford. Following periods of heavy and prolonged rainfall in the mountains in Wales, the river regularly floods its banks. Now Gwyn, actress and mistress of King Charles II, is said to have been born in Hereford in 1650. However, other towns and cities, including Oxford, claim her as their own. The street here is named after her. Hereford Cathedral, a place of worship, has existed on this site since the 8th century or earlier. The current building was built in 1079. Here you can see the incredible Mappa Mundi. It is the largest surviving medieval example, made around 800 years ago. You can also visit the chained library. The chaining of books was the most widespread and effective security system in European libraries from the Middle Ages to the 18th century, and Hereford's Cathedral's 17th century chained library is the largest to survive, with all its chains, rods and locks intact. Just to the left here is part of Hereford's Cathedral School, one of the oldest schools in the world, likely dating back to the second half of the 7th century. It's an independent boarding and day school for pupils from nursery to sixth form. We're now walking along Church Street, which is in the heart of historic Hereford. Its architecture houses hidden delights, including independent retailers, cafes and heritage highlights. The Lisfield Vaults was called the Dog Inn in the late 1700s. There's been many alterations since then. It's a traditional town pub with wood panelling and coal fires in the winter. The High Street, High Town area links the Cathedral Quarter to Maylord and the Old Market, where there's many familiar names, but there's also some of Hereford's best independent retailers too. You can see the time on the clock tower of the Market Hall. It's 5 o'clock and everybody's packing up for the day. The black and white house, built in 1621 and used for a variety of purposes over the years, originally a butcher's house, the home and shop, now turned into a museum, giving visitors an insight into what life was like in the 17th century. It's a life-size statue of a Hereford bull. It's a type of British cattle which originated in Herefordshire and has spread into many countries, with over 5 million purebred Hereford cattle in more than 50 countries around the world. Adult males can weigh over 800 kilograms. Hereford, like most towns and cities, has a number of empty, closed-down shops. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Three pubs in a row alongside each other, Yeases, Hogarths and Witherspoons. They are just 5 minutes walk from the train station. Well, it's just gone 11 o'clock. After a meal and quite a few drinks later, we're going to walk back to the hotel through the town centre. The Imperial Inn dating back to the 1850s. A series of murals has been painted on buildings, underpasses and passageways in Hereford. There's 8 in total, and they've been created by local as well as international artists. This is the Old Market, which opened in 2014. It's situated on the site of the county's former livestock market. I hope you enjoyed this short tour of Hereford with a glimpse by day and night. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, enable notifications so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.